Hi friends, today we will see how to get date format like this YYDDMM without any hashtags or anything. Here we are having only MMDDYY format. In this from this format, we will try to fetch year, day and month separately. How to get it? We'll just see first year, then month, then year. Now for year I am putting one formula is equal to year, open the bracket, select the cell, close the bracket. Now you see you got the year 2022. Now we will get month is equal to month, open the bracket, select the cell, close the bracket. Now see 8 has come. 8 means month. Now we'll get day is equal to day, select the cell, close the bracket, enter. Now you see you got the date 27. Now we can see after from adding all these three formulas how we can get one formula like this. For that, first we will give is equal to year, open the bracket, select the cell, close the bracket, and we will give to get the 080. We will in double quotes we will give 10. Open the double quotes, zero will give, close the double quotes, then you will give and, then month, month, open the bracket, select the cell, close the bracket, then and I will give once again, then we will give day, open the bracket, select the cell, close the bracket, then enter. Now you see we got the desired value what is required. Please keep watching my videos for better Excel tips. Thank you very much. Hi everybody, today we are here to learn about Excel data validation. How to do the data validation. Here as you can see there are 4 names are there with me. For that 4 names I want to enter genders, that is male, female and others, which I wanted to be entered only these 3 fields only in that area. For that I am doing data validation to that area. I will select the area, then I will go to data. In data I am selecting data validation. Here in settings I am selecting list and I am selecting the data which is male, female and others. Where is the 3 datas? I am selecting that range. Then I am going to input message. Here in input message I am going. In input message title I am giving. Title I am giving the data validation. Then I will go to error log. In any error alert, in there is so many buttons are there. I am selecting warning button and title I am giving it as a data validation, and in error message I am giving it as a wrong data. Then I will give OK. Now you can see the pop-up menu is created, and in that pop-up menu only 3 items you can enter. Other than these 3 items, if you want to enter anything, it will give error. If you want to continue with the same error, yes you can give, otherwise no you can give, and we can select in the no we can give and we can select in the pop-up menu what is there.